My name is Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, advocate practicing for the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Today, I will give you a brief demo lecture on the Advocate on Record examination, and I also explain how our Lex Imperium Academy AOR batch is structured. The AOR exam is one of the most prestigious professional examination for advocates in India because only an advocate on record can file cases directly in the Supreme Court. Who can appear for your exam? First of all, the question this thing come in everyone's mind. The advocate enrolled with the State Bar Council with a minimum of 4 years of legal practice, 1 year training under an AOR office within 10 kilometer or 10 miles of the Supreme Court. To appear in a advocate on record exam, an advocate must fulfill certain conditions. First, you must be enrolled with the State Bar Council. Second, you must complete 4 years of practice. Third, you must complete 1 year of training under a registered advocate on record. And the advocate on record should have at least 10 years of standing in the Supreme Court. Then that advocate can give you that certificate. Finally, you must maintain an office within 10 miles of the Supreme Court of India. Once these conditions are fulfilled, you are eligible to appear in the examination. Structure of AOR examination. The exam consists of 4 papers, so we have 5 modules basically. One is the bonus module of examination. So the exam paper is consists of only four modules, 4 papers: practice and procedure, drafting, professional ethics, leading cases. Each paper is of 100 marks and minimum passing marks is 50%. 50 marks is the minimum passing marks. But as we can see this year also, the result has just came out, but the result was not so good. Only 200, about 210 or 207, I think, people are able to clear the AOR exam this year. So it's not that easy that you can go. But now I must explain you. The advocate on exam consists of 4 papers. Each paper consists 100 marks, and you must score at least 15 marks in each paper. The 4 papers are practice and procedure of the Supreme Court, drafting, professional ethics, and advocacy, and finally leading cases. Many students fail not because the syllabus is difficult, but because they do not understand the exam pattern and answer writing style. That's why we have created the bonus module in which we will discuss that how should we write the answer, how should we frame the answer, how the paper should be basically be written, because everyone is just teaching these 4 subjects, but the main functionality, the main thing that how should we write the answer, how should we frame, how should we fetch the maximum marks in the examination? So module one comprises of Supreme Court rules, Supreme Court procedure, practice and procedure. Topic covered is jurisdiction of the Supreme Court rules, filing procedure, registry practice, appeal under Article 132, 133, 134, specially petition Article 136, review and petition. As you might have 1 year of training under a senior, you might be aware of all this thing, your Supreme Court rules and your registry process and all this. And after that, the first module, we will cover Supreme Court practice and procedure. This module, the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court rules and the filing process before the registry. We also cover under Article 132, 133, 134, and the most important jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, especially petition under Article 136, under which we can challenge any judgment, decree, order of any of the Supreme Court. So student will also learn about review petition, curative petition in detail on this topic. So module 2 is again the main topic on which the main marks can be fetched. So drafting topic covers are drafting or legal drafting, specially petition, drafting writ petition, under Article 32, affidavit, interim application, counter affidavits, rejoinders. Second paper is drafting, which is very practical. In this module, students learn how to draft, specially petition or writ petition under Article 32, affidavit, interim affidavit, counter affidavit, and rejoinder. The module is extremely important because drafting question carry high marks in the paper. And if you are well versed about for the drafting, then you can score good mark. Module 3 is advocacy and professional ethics. Topics covered are bar council roles, professional misconduct, duties to court, duties to client, contempt of courtroom etiquettes, art of oral arguments. In the third paper, deals with professional ethics and advocacy. Here, students learn the Bar Council governing advocates, Bar Council rules governing advocates, duty towards the court and clients, and situations that amount to professional misconduct. We also discussed contempt of courtroom behavior, and how advocate present oral arguments before the judges. So module 4, which is quite lengthy, but I will cover each and every judgment. There are 86 judgments in this topic. Videos has been prepared by me on every single topic. I will just let you see all the module and everything. The thing would be much clear for you with this. Okay. So module 4 is leading cases. Leading important landmark judgments are Keshwanda Bharati, Menka Gandhi, Golaknath, Indira NJSC case, SBC, P. Patel Engineering versus Roger Matthew case. The four papers are leading case, which include landmark cases. These cases shape the constitutional structure of India. Students will learn not just the facts and judgment, but also the legal principles and exam-oriented analysis. Previous year question paper is a bonus module. Most of the books or most of the authors or the coaching institute never emphasize on this because no one knows how to write the answer properly in the proper format. But I try my best to teach this thing, that how to write or draft a proper answer to clear the examination in the one go. So I will share the answer script for all the 2025 paper with the result has just came out. For 2025, question number 224, 2023, 22, 21 till 16. I will discuss all the question papers with you, and you will get the nitty-gritties. You will understand the many parts, that how to answer, how to frame your answer, how to clear the paper. That is the main thing. Each question is discussed with complete analytical explanation and exam writing, answer writing strategy. What makes this batch different? Concept plus exam strategy, analytical case discussion, drafting training, PYQ analysis, answer writing strategy. We make this batch different is that we combine conceptual understanding with exam strategy. Student will learn not only the law but also how to write answers that fetch marks in AOR examination. Lex Imperium Academy, Advocate on Record, complete preparation program. I'm the instructor of this course, Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, advocate practicing before the Supreme Court of India. Okay, I show you my LMS by which I am conducting the classes. Just give me a second. Now, this is the LMS. This is the LMS. Once again, I must know. This is my drive. Once again, this is the LMS. This is the module which I prepared for you guys. AOR paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5, and AOR PYQ, PVS question papers. So whichever batch you got enrolled in, I will want to discuss everything with you in all the modules. Like I open one of the batches. So this is the classroom ID. That's the lecture. Over here, the lectures are whichever the lectures is being delivered by me would be shown over here in the lecture class preparation, the recording. They are the recorded lectures which have been just passed off. Then attendance, student attendance is the student attend or join the session. The attendance are marked automatically. It comes with the timetable of the complete lecture when the lectures are delivered and how the course would be conducted, course things would be conducted, and all the information notices, the all the notification we get from the Supreme Court will be posted over here. Or everything, all the information about the courses, like we are whatever thing we will do, we will post over here. Then there is assignment, the question paper. Every week I will prepare a assignment. a question paper which you have to answer. So this question paper you have to give me in a computer based or a written thing. Everything given will be given over here. Then the study material is like this. I'll show you. The basically the judgments which have been uploaded. Okay, the judgments like this judgment journal saying. I'll show you one of the videos how the lectures preparation goes like. Yeah. So yes, friends, you have seen the first part of this case. I've shared with you. You can see this first part of the case. Like this, we have the second part of the case, and on each video there are many and many videos, many parts of the cases. Like this case, Gujarat Urja Nagar Vikas Nigam case number leading case number 38. There are three parts. Some have more, some less. So I have designed the whole topic, every topic, so much in detail, so that everything could be clear for every one of us. Like I show you, like this thing, Keshwanda Bharti is in 53 part. Keshwanda Bharti case is given in 58 part. Yeah. So it depends on the student who study. No teacher can guarantee that a student would pass or fail, but it depends on your concentration, your effort. I will provide you assignment on daily basis. I will provide you your study material, all of your timetable will be over here. Attendance will be marked over here. Lectures will be posted over here. So it's on you that how much hard work you can give it to this course and what you can perform. So thank you, friends. It was nice to be with you. So I see forward to many of my colleagues to join this course because this course is really helpful for AOR. And don't worry if you are just been starting or you have some knowledge of a course, join my course. I will help you in just preparing for the complete batch. That will really